Good morning, children. Welcome to Social Class Standard 7th Economics Unit 1 Tax and its Importance. Introduction. For the welfare of the society, the government has to perform various functions, so it requires revenue. Revenue, that means a tax. Modern governments have a wider variety of sources of revenue. The principal sources of the revenue are taxes, fees, prices, special assessment, and the raffle scheme. Like any other country, taxes form the most important part of revenue of India. Taxation. Taxation is a term for when a taxing authority, usually a government, levies or impose a tax. The term taxation applies to all types of involuntary levies, from income to capital gains to estate taxes. Though taxation can be a noun or verb, it is usually referred to as an act. The resulting revenue is usually called taxes. Taxes. Taxes are compulsory payments to the government without expectations of direct or return or benefit to the taxpayers. According to Professor Seligman, taxes are defined as a compulsory contribution from a person to the government to defray the expenses incurred in the common interest of all without reference to special benefits conferred. Next, discuss the topic Principle of Taxation. Adam Smith. The principles or canon of taxation still form the basis of tax structure of a modern state. Adam Smith four canons of taxation: canon of equality, canon of certainty, canon of convenience, canon of economy. Canon of equality. The government should impose taxes in such a way that people have to pay according to their ability. It does not mean equal amount of tax, but it means that the burden of a tax must be fair and just. Next, canon of certainty. Certainty creates confidence in the taxpayers' cost of collection of taxes and increase economic welfare because it tends to avoid all economic waste. Next, canon of convenience. Taxes should be levied and collected in such a manner that it provides a maximum of convenience to the taxpayers. It should always be kept in view that the taxpayers suffer the least inconvenience in payment of the tax. Next, canon of economy. Minimum possible money should be spent in the collection of taxes. Collected amount should be deposited in the government treasury. Next, discuss the topic taxation types. There are three types of taxation: proportional tax, progressive tax, regressive tax, and proportional taxation. Proportional taxation is a method where the rate of tax is same regardless the size of the income. The tax amount realized will vary in the same proportion as that of income. If tax rate is 5% on income and Mr. X gets an income of ₹1,000, he will pay ₹50. Mr. B get an income 5,000. He will pay tax of rupees 50. In short, proportional tax leaves the relative financial status of taxed persons unchanged. Progressive taxation. Progressive taxation is a method by which the rate of tax will also increase with the increase of income of the person. If a person with rupees 1,000 income per annum pays a tax of 10%, that is rupees 100, a person with an income of rupees 10,000 per annum pays a tax of 25%, that is rupees 2,500, and a person with income of 1 lakh per annum pays a tax of 50 rupees, that is rupees 50,000. Regressive taxation. A regressive tax is a tax applied uniformly, taking a larger percentage of income from low income earners than from high income earners. It is in opposition to a progressive tax.